So I've been cooking this tapas for many years. It's a classic Spanish deep fried courgette flour, and it's really special thing. We don't use courgette flours nearly enough in the UK, but in Spain and Italy they're used all over. So very simply, we get these beautiful flowers, we open the heads up, and then you've got a beautiful cavity there that you can put anything in, crab or whatnot, but we're putting in there some goat's cheese. So we've got kind of medium soft goat's cheese, and it's important that it's medium soft, because what we're going to do is, once we've stuffed it, taken the stamen out, we're going to twist the end, yeah, just to kind of give it a little seal, and that will naturally kind of close up itself. Those courgette flowers are they're hugely popular all over the Mediterranean. Glass of sherry in hand in some rowdy tapas bar in Seville or southern Spain. So all we do now is dip this into tempura batter, just a very simple flour and water batter with a little bit of baking powder in there. Deep fry it, and then we're going to drizzle it with this beautiful orange blossom honey, a little bit of sea salt. That's it. Brilliant tapas. So this dish accompanies the sherry cask perfectly because of the sherry notes from the aging in the whisky, and it just complements the sweet and saltiness of the courgette flowers perfectly. It's a winner. Courgette flowers stuffed with goat's cheese and drizzled with honey, inspired by Glen Moray Sherry Cask finish.